Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to leave a group on Facebook. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all simply open up your Facebook app and then tap on that three lines to go to that menu section. In the menu section you can see a group shortcut on the very top. Just simply tap on that option, and in this option it will show you all of your groups which you have joined, or you can tap on your groups, or you can find all of your groups. Now just simply select a group which you want to left. Just select it, and then you can see a join option over there. Just simply tap on it and tap on leave group, or you can unfollow the group. You will stay in group and you will not get the notification for the post. So if you want to leave it, just simply tap at leave group, tap at leave group to continue. So that's how you can easily leave a group on Facebook. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave it in the comment section below and I will catch you in the next video. And I would recommend you to check the latest video on end screen. Thanks guys.